Hi, my name is Chris Antes, a personal chef with the Chef For You to Have, and I'm here at the Conscious Cook Kitchen to show you a great recipe on how to make an easy pumpkin salad. So to start off making it easy, I have some baby spinach on here with some dried cranberries and also some feta cheese. We'll sprinkle on a little grilled corn. And then we're going to put on our pumpkin. And I baked this pumpkin so it's nice and tender, and we're just going to make some slices out of it. Okay. We'll just put those right on the salad. And there it is, a very simple pumpkin salad.